Our client in this case wanted to improve the efficiency with which they were gathering referral data via the internet. They previously had a web form that emailed data to them, and they wanted the data to go directly into their internal database application. We created a new, rather complex set of web forms with complex conditionality to accept the data and transfer it into their internal database. The process starts by clicking the Submit Referral button, where the person is taken to a multi-page web form. The form is multilingual. You can change the language to English or Spanish. The browser will detect the language and display it appropriately, but the user can change the language as they see fit. The system accepts multiple different types of referrals and enforces the appropriate required fields for each type of referral. I'm going to pick just the Medi-Cal referral for this demonstration. I'm also going to use a development-only feature we implemented to make testing faster by clicking this TF button in the lower right-hand corner and telling it that I want it to fill out all the data necessary for the Medi-Cal application path. That way I don't have to manually enter all of the data. I'll click through now and go from page to page. You can see all of the data that needs to be filled in to comply with mandatory requirements has already been entered, and I'll continue to click next. If I want to, I can upload images of my Medi-Cal card. That will flow automatically into the backend database system. Continuing on down, I can select different items that I want to consider ordering. The system will add those. This is an area we're going to rework in cooperation with the client for a better user interface once the main system goes live. And the final page lets the user review the information that they've entered and then submit it. The information's submitted into a backend MySQL database. I've got another dev-only feature on the lower left here that lets me see in near real time. Okay, yes, I see that in the backend MySQL system. That's another testing aid to make sure that the process is working appropriately. The backend database, the client's on-premise database, now takes over. It pulls that database, that information in from the temporary MySQL cache, and the user is then interacting with their internal database, which happens to be a FileMaker system. The new prospect, the new referral is surfaced to them in FileMaker. They click a button in there to see all of the incoming referrals and interact with them in near real time as the referrals are flowing in throughout the day. So that's this web form system. It's a fairly simple system, one set of pages, web application for accepting referral data and having it automatically show up in their backend database system. Thank you.